Dear Heavenly Father, I just thank you for this day.
You're rolling. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing today?
We're heading to the fertility doctor's clinic.
Why?
We're gonna find out what treatment plan's gonna be like.
So, that's where we're going. And we just got some really good news this week. We were gonna have to wait until January to do any IVF cycle because they forgot to freeze his sample before we went to Bali. And because of Zika virus, we're required to wait 6 months because that's how long it takes a guy to process Zika, I guess. Girls are only 8 weeks for whatever reason, but anyways, our doctor just emailed us this week and said that the CDC just put out some new regulation or whatever, that men only have to wait 3 months. So she said, let's get you guys going. I don't know, because a lot of things fell in place. Like, we got that email, I told him about it, and then I'm like, we should probably get on her calendar because she's usually like a month and a half out before we can get in and talk to her for like a Friday where it works really well for us. I said, so let me call and see. So I called and the nurse was like, how about this Friday? And I'm like, what? Like this Friday? She was like, yeah, how about this Friday? And I'm like, well, what do you have in a couple weeks? And it was gonna be like over a month before we could talk to him, and the doctor kind of wants us to get started sooner than that, so stay tuned. I love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
I love you.
Love you.
I love you. Dear Heavenly Father, I just thank you for this day, and just thank you for the rain and this beautiful woman by my side, Lord. I just pray that whatever the doctor says or whatever treatment plan we end up going with, Lord, that it's truly the one you want us to do, Lord, or even if it does happen naturally, Lord, that you just bring a child to us, Lord, and just ask that we can be good parents and just remain faithful in all that we do for you, Lord, and I pray this in your name. Amen. I love you.
Yeah,
Where was
so
Why didn't you get it out and film it?
so question.
What? At least you're not sneaking around in the office anymore. You asked for permission from the doctor.
True. So
I feel like
are you excited?
now. Yeah, I am. Is this our nurse, Stephanie?
yeah. Okay, so we just got our calendar. What do you think?
It's coming up quick.
Faster than you thought?
Yeah, a lot faster.
Are you excited, nervous?
I'm nervous.
What are you the most nervous about?
Just it all.
Money?
Financial struggles, yeah.
Yeah, I'd say it's quite the adventure. But I would say finances too. We'll figure it out.
5 minutes later.
Tell me what just happened.
Just passed out.
Because of?
I got blood drop.
Oh, look at that. And they gave you some snacks and some apple juice. Good thing you don't have to give much more blood, if any.
This is embarrassing.
Okay, so we are done with our SRM appointments today, and Tyler was the show. He passed out getting his blood drawn, and we got our IVF calendar. We got cool armbands today from our blood drive. Anything you want to say? You want to document that you want our kids to see in the future? Look at what your dad's doing for you. He's giving blood and passing out. Hey, that is a normal response. That's what they said.
Males.
And they have it happen all the time, and men especially.
To make you feel good.
Men especially. I think it's really like guys' way of getting goldfish and apple juice snacks. That's what they gave him to like help, and ice packs. I got my cool little green armband. He got his cool orange armband.
It looks pink.
That is orange.
That looks pink.
Anyways, okay, here we go. Keep you updated.